Are you buzzing with excitement about your first international trip? It's a big deal. You're about to step into a world of new experiences. Imagine exploring a different culture, tasting exotic foods and seeing iconic landmarks with your own eyes. It's a thrill like no other, a chance to create memories that will last a lifetime. But let's be real. Planning that first big adventure can feel overwhelming. Passports, visas, packing lists, it's enough to make anyone's head spin. But don't let the logistics dampen your excitement. We're here to guide you every step of the way. With a little planning and preparation, your first international trip can be everything you've dreamed of and more. This is your comprehensive guide to stress-free international travel planning. We'll break down the entire process into manageable steps, offering insider tips and tricks to make your journey as smooth as possible. From choosing the perfect destination to packing your bags like a pro, we've got you covered. No matter your travel style or budget, whether you're venturing solo or with companions, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to embark on your adventure. We'll help you navigate the world of flights and accommodations, master the art of packing light, and make the most of your time abroad. So, grab your notebook, jot down your dream destinations, and let's turn those travel aspirations into reality. Choosing the right destination can make or break your first international trip. While it's tempting to dive headfirst into the most exotic locale, starting with a beginner-friendly destination can ease you into the world of international travel. Think of it as your training wheels for navigating new cultures and languages. Southeast Asia is often touted as a haven for first-time travelers. Countries like Thailand, Vietnam, and Malaysia offer a blend of affordability, cultural richness, and stunning landscapes. From bustling cities to tranquil beaches, there's something for everyone. For those seeking a European adventure, Portugal is a fantastic choice. Its warm hospitality, delicious cuisine, and charming towns make it easy to navigate. Plus, English is widely spoken, minimizing any language barriers. If you're yearning for a taste of the Far East, Japan might be your calling. Known for its safety, efficiency, and unique cultural experiences, Japan offers a seamless travel experience, even for first-timers. Before you pack your bags, it's crucial to research visa requirements for your chosen destination. Visa regulations vary depending on your nationality and the country you're visiting. Some countries offer visa-free entry for a limited time, while others require a more involved application process. Start by checking the official website of your destination country's embassy or consulate. Look for information specific to your nationality, such as visa types, required documents, and processing times. It's best to apply for your visa well in advance to avoid any last-minute hiccups. If you're planning to visit multiple countries, ensure your visa allows for multiple entries, or that you obtain the necessary visas for each destination. Keep in mind that visa requirements can change, so it's always wise to double-check closer to your departure date. Don't let visa anxieties dampen your travel spirits. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can navigate these requirements smoothly and embark on your international adventure worry-free. Crafting your dream itinerary involves striking a balance between your budget and interests. Start by researching the average costs of flights, accommodation, food, and activities in your chosen destination. This will give you a realistic idea of how much to save and allow you to allocate funds accordingly. Remember, traveling doesn't have to break the bank. Consider traveling during the off-season or shoulder season for better deals on flights and accommodation. Explore budget-friendly accommodation options like hostels or guest houses, and embrace local transportation options like buses or trains instead of relying solely on taxis. When it comes to activities, prioritize experiences that align with your interests. If you're a history buff, allocate more time to exploring historical sites and museums. If you're a foodie, indulge in local culinary experiences. Remember, it's your trip, and you can tailor it to your preferences and budget. With your destination chosen and excitement mounting, it's time to gather the most crucial travel companion, your passport. This little booklet is your ticket to exploring the world, but before you pack your bags, make sure it's ready for the journey ahead. First things first, check the expiration date. Many countries require passports to be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. If your passport is nearing its expiry date, don't delay in renewing it. Processing times can vary, and you don't want to be left grounded when wanderlust strikes. Once your passport is sorted, make photocopies of the identification page. Store these copies separately from your actual passport. This way, if you misplace your passport, you'll have essential information readily available, making it easier to report the loss and obtain a replacement. Remember, your passport is a valuable document. Treat it with care, keep it safe, and ensure it's up to date. With your passport in order, you're well on your way to embarking on your international escapade. Visa regulations can seem like a labyrinth, but with research and preparation, you can navigate them with ease. Determine if you need a visa well in advance of your trip. Visit the official website of your destination country's embassy. Look for visa information, required documents, fees, and processing times. Pay attention to the type of visa you need. Gather all necessary documents meticulously. Common requirements include a valid passport, a completed visa application form, passport-size photographs, proof of accommodation and travel itinerary, and financial statements. Apply well in advance. Double-check all visa details once approved. With your visa secured, you've cleared a significant hurdle in your travel preparations. Section 3. Document duplication, ensuring peace of mind. In the digital age, it's easier than ever to create backups of your important travel documents. Make digital copies of your passport, visas, and other essential documents. Email these copies to yourself and store them securely in cloud storage. This way, you can access them from any device with an internet connection. By duplicating your documents, you add an extra layer of security, allowing you to relax and enjoy your adventure. Crafting your travel budget, from dreams to dollars. Let's talk about everyone's favorite travel companion, your budget. Don't worry, we're not here to tell you to eat instant noodles for every meal. We're here to empower you to make your travel dreams a reality without breaking the bank. The key is to plan ahead and be realistic about your spending. Start by researching the average costs in your chosen destination. How much are flights, accommodation, meals? Once you have a ballpark figure, create a budget that aligns with your travel style and financial comfort zone. Remember, traveling doesn't have to mean emptying your savings account. Consider traveling during the off-season for better deals, choose budget-friendly accommodation options, and embrace local transportation. With a little creativity, you can stretch your budget further than you think. The art of the buffer planning for the unexpected. Life is full of surprises and travel is no exception. That's why it's crucial to build a buffer into your travel budget. Think of it as your safety net, a financial cushion for those just-in-case moments that inevitably arise. Unexpected expenses can range from flight delays and lost luggage to last-minute itinerary changes and medical emergencies. By setting aside a little extra cash or having access to emergency funds, you can navigate these bumps in the road with greater ease and peace of mind. Remember that travel insurance is your best friend. It can help cover unexpected medical expenses, lost or stolen belongings, and travel disruptions. Investing in travel insurance is a small price to pay for peace of mind, allowing you to fully embrace your adventure knowing you're protected. Money matters abroad. Smart spending strategies. Now that your budget is set, let's talk about smart spending strategies while you're abroad. Familiarize yourself with local currency and exchange rates. ATMs are generally the most convenient way to withdraw local currency. Credit cards are widely accepted, but carry some local currency for smaller purchases. Notify your bank about your travel plans to avoid issues. Be mindful of your spending to enjoy a more fulfilling trip. Taking flight. Finding the best deals on airfare. Hunt for cheap flights with your budget set and destination calling. Use flight comparison websites like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak. Flexibility with dates can save you money. Check for additional costs like baggage fees. Accommodation options, from hotels to hostels and everything in between. Finding the right accommodation can make or break your travel experience. Luckily, there's a world of options to suit every budget and travel style. Whether you're seeking luxurious comfort, budget-friendly digs, or a social atmosphere, there's a perfect place waiting to welcome you. For first-time travelers seeking familiarity and convenience, hotels are a reliable choice. From budget-friendly chains to boutique gems, hotels offer a range of amenities and services to make your stay comfortable. If you're traveling on a shoestring budget or craving a more social experience, hostels are a fantastic option. Hostels offer dormitory-style rooms or private rooms at a fraction of the cost of hotels. They're also a great way to meet fellow travelers from around the globe. For those seeking a home away from home, apartment rentals or homestays offer a more independent and immersive experience. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO connect travelers with local hosts who rent out their homes or apartments for short-term stays. Location, location, location. Choosing the right base for your adventures. Choosing the right location can enhance your travel experience. Consider your priorities and how you plan to spend your time. Do you prefer to be in the heart of the action, or in a quieter neighborhood with easy access to transportation? Central locations maximize sightseeing time, but often come with a higher price tag. For budget-conscious travelers, consider neighborhoods outside the city center. These areas offer affordable options and a local experience. Research transportation options in your chosen location. Convenient transportation makes exploring easier. Ask for recommendations from fellow travelers. Choosing the right location can make all the difference. The art of the packing list. Your travel essential blueprint. Before you open your suitcase, grab a pen and paper. Create your packing list for stress-free packing. This blueprint ensures you don't leave crucial items behind. Consider your destination, trip length, and activities. Each adventure calls for different gear. Break down your list into categories. Remember, less is often more. Pack versatile clothing and essential toiletries. Packing smart versatile clothing for every adventure. Choose versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down, layered for different temperatures, and mixed and matched. Start with neutral basics and add bright tops or accessories for color. Pack layers for unpredictable weather. Choose comfortable shoes for exploring and casual outings. Consider local customs and dress codes. Research beforehand to pack appropriately. Essentials for a smooth journey. Your carry-on bag is your travel sanctuary. Pack thoughtfully for comfort and peace of mind. Keep travel documents easily accessible. Store them securely. Use a waterproof pouch. Pack essential toiletries. Follow liquid regulations. Entertainment is key. Bring books, podcasts, or music. Carry a portable charger. Pack a travel pillow and eye mask. A scarf can double as a blanket. Pre-flight check. Ensuring a smooth airport experience. Double-check your flight details the day before departure. Confirm departure time, terminal, and gate information. Airlines can make changes, so stay updated. Use online check-in to select your seat and get your boarding pass. Store your digital boarding pass securely. Take a screenshot for easy access. Download your airline's app for real-time updates. Get updates on gate changes and baggage info. Notify your bank about your travel plans. Prevent your cards from being flagged. Provide destination and travel dates. Familiarize yourself with baggage allowances. Know size and weight limits for luggage. Avoid hefty fees by knowing restrictions. Airport arrival. Navigating the departure maze. It's departure day, and the excitement is palpable. Arrive early, at least 3 hours before international flights. Check in, get your boarding pass, and head to security. Remove jackets, belts, and follow the TSA's 311 rule. After security, locate your gate and check for updates. Congratulations, you've reached your gate with time to spare. Embrace the pre-flight calm before your adventure. Find a spot, charge your devices, and relax. Grab a bite or a drink if you're hungry. Be mindful of the time and listen for announcements. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. Touchdown! You've made it to your destination. This is it, the start of your international adventure. Take a deep breath and embrace the moment. Orient yourself before rushing off. Locate baggage claim, currency exchange, and transportation. Familiarize yourself with your accommodation. Know where to find essentials like ATMs and stores. Research local transportation options. Cultural immersion beyond the tourist trail. Immerse yourself in a new culture by venturing beyond tourist spots. Embrace the local way of life, even if it means stepping outside your comfort zone. Learn basic phrases in the local language. Simple greetings can establish rapport with locals. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Food is an integral part of any culture. Ditch chain restaurants for local eateries and markets. Ask locals for hidden gem recommendations. Attend cultural performances and local festivals. Connect with the soul of a destination through its people and traditions. Savoring the journey tips for mindful exploration. Travel is not just about ticking items off a bucket list. Slow down, be present, and embrace the unexpected. Allow ample time for wandering, observing, and soaking in the atmosphere. Embrace spontaneity, follow your curiosity, and be open to new experiences. Remember to take care of yourself along the way. Stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and rest. Embrace the adventure of a lifetime. As we wrap up this guide, remember that your first international trip is more than just a holiday. It's a transformative experience waiting to unfold. It's about stepping outside your comfort zone, embracing the unknown, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Remember those initial feelings of excitement and overwhelm? You faced them head-on, armed with the knowledge and tools to plan a truly remarkable adventure. You've learned about choosing the right destination, navigating travel logistics, managing your budget, and immersing yourself in new cultures. Your journey starts now. Now it's time to put that knowledge into action. Book that flight, pack your bags, and get ready to embrace the world with open arms. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, cultural immersion, or a bit of everything, your dream trip is within reach. Remember, travel is a personal journey, and the most important thing is to create an experience that resonates with you. Embrace the unexpected, be open to new possibilities, and allow yourself to be transformed by the journey. And hey, don't forget to share your adventures with us. Let us know where you're headed in the comments below, and stay tuned for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy travels!